Suwang salita or hindi
Hindi
magandang
salita.
salita.
I'm using a word. Gano? Am I that stupid? English yan. Ang Tagalog niyan is ganon, ako gagago. Abogado ako, fiscal ako, ganon ako gagago. Huwag ka bang barurong, ma'am? You do not know me from Adam. Basta lang na anong narinig ninyo yung... That's is it.
Okay.
You have 3 minutes
Okay.
left, Congresswoman Castro.
Yeah, last time na po ba, Mr. Chair?
You have 3 minutes left.
3 minutes na lang. Okay, thank you, Mr. Chair.